Focus your eyes on my hands, concentrate. You will know the best way and the easy way to do this gele. I have many videos that will help you on my channel. Just go down below, enjoy yourself, go and watch many of my videos that will help you how to apply makeup, how to do gele. We have this channel is all about learning. Thank you guys. If you have not yet subscribe, leave your comment down below, share this video with your friends and family. See you on my next video. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy.
Beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house. Carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me they go. The beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house. You need your gele to be tight. That beauty, looking good and looking nice. That beauty, don't miss the opportunity, just call on day. That beauty. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauty is only specialized in makeup and now let me shock you. We in that beauty studio, we are also specialized in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeups, gele time, and a lot more. Just call on Deck Beauty and she'll be right there with you. She travels worldwide, international connection. She's there, always available. Eba mi ra papa foba ugo. Ọba tẹrẹrẹ kárí ayé. Everybody look, see what the Lord has done. 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 We love you. All the Deck Beauty fans in the world. Deck Beauty is sending bunch of love to you all. Receive love, receive beauty. Ragamuffin. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup love. That beauty. In case you need your gele to be tight. That beauty. Looking good and looking nice. That beauty. Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day. That beauty. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup love. That beauty. In case you need your gele to be tight. That beauty. Looking good and looking nice. That beauty. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house. Oh Samudia me. I say no me yemu me. Oh I. Jesus don't get mutia ni me fo. case you need your gele to be tight.
Get beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Get beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
Get beauty. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup love. Get beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Get beauty.